Pan-fried chicken breast with morel sauce. Chicken is the nation's favourite meat. We've roasted it, we've stir-fried it, we've curried it. This is a new dimension, so with a wonderful, rich morel sauce. Just before it goes in the pan, get your cloth and just pat it dry. That gets rid of any excess moisture, therefore, when it goes in the pan, it doesn't spit at you.
Season.
Skin side down into the pan.
Garlic. Thyme.
Knob of butter in. Straight into the oven. 8 to 10 minutes, 180 degrees. Morel sauce. And the most important thing about these dried morels is you just add boiling water. It rehydrates the mushroom. Then there's an added bonus. You've got your own mushroom stock. Drain off our mushrooms. Weed into the pan.
Shallots. Garlic. Thyme.
Splash of white wine. The white wine starts to sweeten it up.
Mushroom stock. Reduce. Cream.
Bring that up to the boil and literally just cook it for 1 minute. And the secret now is to pass the sauce through the sieve, get your ladle, and just push. Wonderful colour, not too thick, and full of flavour. Perfect. Asparagus. They're in season, and it's British. Cut off the bottom part of the spear. That's the woody part. Don't throw it away, great for stocks and great for soups. First, we're going to cook them from raw on a griddle pan. Olive oil. Fresh morel mushrooms. Just cut them into halves. Soak the mushroom, hot olive oil.
Fresh thyme.
And finish at the very end with a touch of butter. And we're ready to serve. Start from the top and just slice in half. Our fresh morel mushrooms. Sauce. Over. Goodbye stir fry. Goodbye roast chicken. No more curries. That's British at its best.
Pan-fried chicken with morel sauce. Done.
Poached and sautéed chicken breast, haricot bean salad and balsamic roasted fennel. We're kicking off with the fennel cut into quarters.
Smell it. Aniseed. Lovely. Nice and fresh, fragrant.
Season, drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar.
You never cook at home?
No. I would love to.
Yeah.
My wife cooks.
Straight into the oven. 200 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes.
Does it get any harder?
Yes, it does. Move your ass.
Chicken breast,
Free range.
high in protein, low in fat, just what these players need to keep them running.
We're just going to poach them now for 6 minutes. Half a bowl of garlic, a little bit of thyme, rosemary. Make the chicken a lot more fragrant. We're just trying to make it a little bit more exciting. Yeah?
More tasty.
And no sauces, no cream, no butter, and something that you can get up and feel energised with. Gonna make a vinaigrette, Barry.
Right, let's go.
OK.
Mustard, olive oil, balsamic vinegar.
Go easy on the salt, because that dehydrates you even quicker.
Now for the second half. Bean salad.
Beans packed with protein. Olives help to season and stops them becoming a little bit bland. A couple of tablespoons of vinaigrette. This is baby spinach.
Baby spinach.
Yeah? Packed with iron.
Tossed with basil leaves and a splash of the dressing.
Chicken out and skin side down. I never thought I'd see the day. Scotland's captain and the most prolific goal scorer Rangers ever, golden boot, in front of the stove.
Tell you what, you don't have got sweat on, Gordon.
Yeah, don't sweat in the chicken though, Ali.
Okay, is that the idea?
Anyone complains about it being fucking salty, I know who to blame. Half a ladle of stock in there. That's going to act almost like a bit of a sauce, really. Crispy skin.
Great.
Yeah, nice moist chicken inside, yeah?
Drizzle the roasted fennel with vinaigrette. To serve, a handful of spinach salad.
And just sit the fennel on top. Get a nice even distribution of the beans and the olives.
Slice the chicken and spoon on some vinaigrette.
In we go. Excellent.
You know they're going to say they don't like it whether they like it or not. You know that. You like it, then you. Oh,
So, Ali, you can do that again for the guys?
I would do that again for the boys, certainly.
Yes? Good. Chicken legs. This is a thigh and the drumstick boned out. And that brown meat is so full of flavour.
Stuffing. Sausage meat. Pistachio nuts.
And the pistachios give it a really nice sort of nutty flavour with a nice crunchy texture, slightly sweet.
Thyme. Parsley. Salt. Pepper. Stuff.
Place that in the centre. Get your leg and fold it over.
Tinfoil. Season. Olive oil. Streaky bacon.
It gives it a lot of flavour, but more importantly, keeps it nice and moist. Place it in the centre and just roll it round. Squeeze the ends nice and tight.
Poach, 25 minutes. Chill, 30 minutes. Unwrap.
Look at it. Already, it looks sophisticated.
Hot pan, olive oil. Season.
And the secret now is to get that bacon really nice and crispy. You just roll it round. Leave it to rest for a minute.
Sherry vinegar.
Deglaze the pan with some sherry vinegar. And it's really important that we deglaze inside that pan because that's what that flavour is. And it's not just the flavour of the chicken, it's the flavour of the bacon as well at the same time.
Masala wine.
It's a real sweet, dense, rich sauce that goes brilliantly with the pistachios.
Stock, reduce.
There we have a really nice 30-second sauce. And slice on an angle because you really want to show off those pistachios. That smells amazing. Absolutely delicious.
Stuffed chicken leg with masala sauce. Done.
Chicken, perhaps the most popular bird in Britain.
Remove legs. Wings. Parson's nose. Stuffed with garlic and salt. Poaching stock. Carrots, celery, leeks, pepper and coriander. Thyme, bay leaf. Poach, 12 minutes. Morel, mushroom sauce.
If you can't find morels, use a dried cep or just a dried wild mushroom.
Shallots. Salt, thyme, garlic. 100 grams dried morels.
We get some flavour on there. I much prefer using dried mushrooms because it gives it a lot of intensity.
White wine. Reduce. Remove chicken. Add stock. $150 mils, double cream.
And the secret behind this sauce, of course, is getting it to almost like a cafe au lait colour. We squeeze all that juice out of there.
Parsley.
Into the sauce. Okay.
Remove chicken breast.
Get your knife, point it on top of the wishbone, and go through it. Beautiful breast.
Season. Hot pan. Olive oil.
Skin side down first. Just really nice and crispy.
Butter. Baste. Chicken with morel mushroom sauce. Done.
Scalloped chicken with sauteed potatoes and red chard. One of my favourite all-time birds.
Chicken breast. Butterfly.
If it's open, the whole thing cooks evenly.
Egg wash. Beat. Flour. Season. Chicken breast. Dust.
Shake off any excess flour into the egg wash. Just run it through and then into the breadcrumbs. This helps to keep the chicken breast really nice and moist.
Hot pan. Olive oil.
Into the pan.
Colour.
Turn it over. That's what we want.
Rest. Sauce. Shallots. Garlic. Tomatoes. Hot pan. Olive oil. Basil. Sauce. Mozzarella. Grated Parmesan. Olive oil.
Stop it from going dry.
Bake 8 minutes.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Escalope of chicken served with sautéed potatoes and red chard. Done.
Normally done with beef, but I'm going to do it with chicken. This is a really nice, light, healthy approach to stroganoff and so simple to do.
Chicken breast, slice, smoked paprika,
It gives it a really nice oak smoky flavour.
salt, pepper,
Rub across the chicken.
hot pan, olive oil.
The most important part now is just lightly sautéing the chicken, giving it a little bit of colour.
Rest. Vegetables, onions, peppers, garlic. Mushrooms.
The secret here is we're sautéing the vegetables off in the same pan as the chicken, gently infusing the vegetables.
White wine. Reduce. Chicken stock. Sour cream. Chicken. Sugar snap peas. Parsley. Rest.
And to finish it off is this little baby here, spätzle. Basically the German's pasta. It's light, it's fluffy, but more importantly, it's got to be crispy.
Season. Hot pan. Olive oil.
As it hits the pan, it puffs up, gets nice and light.
Butter. Stroganoff.
That has to be the perfect stroganoff.
Smoked paprika chicken stroganoff with spätzle. Done.